Okay, good evening, everybody. Hope that all of you are in a good condition, good health. Thank you for joining this class again. Okay, before I begin, let me explain something to you here. Since some of you asked about why don't we learn about the tenses? Now, after we have finished the book, the next book that we are going to use is this one, Basic English Grammar. Now, if you can see the contents here, we will be learning about present tense, past tense, and future tense. Yeah. So don't worry. If you're asking why we don't learn about tenses, we are going to learn the tenses. But after we have finished this book. Okay. Now, as I have told you before, that this is a very good foundation before you learn about the tenses. Yeah. Yeah. This all about the parts of speech, the very basic of the English. Ya. Nah, kita akan belajar tentang tenses setelah buku ini selesai. Ya. Karena saya percaya ini adalah foundation, pondasi sebelum kita belajar tenses. Ya. So when we learn about the tenses, ketika kita belajar tentang tenses, we learn about all these things, you have already understood. Ya, kamu sudah mengerti when we talk about tenses. Okay. Now today we are going to learn about the capital letter. Last time we have learned about the grammar. This time we are going to learn about the capital letter, the punctuation. Yeah, capital letter number 2, punctuation number 14, and then 12 interjection. Yeah. Now I will slowly try to speak in English more. Hopefully that you can catch up. Otherwise, Mr. Tony will remind me to mix with Indonesian. Okay. Now I believe that when you learn a bit by a bit, probably in the beginning you will be confused, but after a while, I believe you may improve your listening. Yeah. Okay, today we are going to learn about the capital letter. Yeah, Indonesian call this as huruf besar. Yeah. Now the capital letter is also called a big letter or uppercase letter, or sometimes just a capital. When do you use a capital letter? The first one, use a capital letter for the first letter in a sentence. Yeah, first letter in a sentence. Huruf pertama pada tiap kalimat. Ya. After that, always use a capital letter for the word I. Ya. Untuk huruf I, always capital letter. Selalu huruf besar. Use a capital letter for the names of people. Untuk nama-nama orang, kita menggunakan capital letter. Ya. Use a capital letter for the names of places. Ya, untuk nama-nama tempat. Here, National Museum, Bronx Zoo, London, and so on. And then use a capital letter for festivals, holidays, days of the week, months of the year. Okay. Now today, we are going to practice the exercise. That's why I believe Mr. Tony has asked you to prepare something for you to write with. But before I ask you to do the exercise, I have also prepared a PowerPoint that talk about capital letter. Yeah. So today our topic is capital letter, punctuation, and interjection. Oh, sorry. I need to switch the presentation. Okay. Our topic today, capital letter, punctuation, and interjections. Since the book explanation about capital letter is quite simple, so I'm trying to elaborate. Yeah, elaborate means to explain more detail. Yeah, elaborate, menjelaskan lebih detail. Yeah. Now the use of capital letters is called capitalization. The question is, when do we use capital letter? So the first one is beginning of a sentence. After that, for the pronoun I, for deities, religions, and scriptures. Yeah, deities means something to do with gods. Yeah, in Indonesian, probably it means Dewa Dewi. Yeah, deities. Names and titles of persons, organizations, and institutions, months, days, and holidays. After that, we use capital letters for languages and nationalities, letters, geographic names, and titles. Now, let's look at the first one. Beginning of a sentence. Ya, huruf pertama dalam sebuah kalimat. Ya, the first word of every sentence. Examples. He is a kind man. Ya, he, H, capital letter. Beginning of a sentence. Ya, huruf pertama pada setiap kalimat. There is a book. T, capital letter. And then the second one, pronoun I. The letter I is always in capital letter. Examples, I think I will take the job. Ya, I, saya, selalu dalam huruf besar. Ya, pertama huruf besar, di tengah pun huruf besar. Ya. If you ask me why, definitely I cannot answer because it is the rules from there. Ya, memang aturannya dari sananya seperti itu. Okay. Number 3, deities. Ya, religions and scriptures. For example, deities for Apollo, Athena. These are the gods of the Greek. Ya, dewa-dewanya orang Yunani, ya, Greek, orang Yunani. Religions, for example, God, Buddha or Buddhism, Islam or Muslim, and then Christian, and so on. And then the scriptures, the Quran, the Bible, ya, Quran here, Indonesia means Quran, ya. and then the Bible means kitab suci, ya. And then names and titles of persons, ya, nama dan gelar, dan juga dan gelarnya orang. The names of persons, initials, and titles. Examples, names, Michael Jackson, Lim Kit Siang. Initials here, for example, JK, yeah, JK Rowling. The JK also in capital letters. And then titles like, for example, Mr., Prince, yeah, Mrs., yeah, those titles are in capital letters. Number 5, organizations and institutions. Names of organization and institutions, examples, WHO, World Health Organization, and then, for example, BCA, Bank Sentral Asia. Yeah. Now, if you pay attention here, organization, sometimes it is in S spelling, sometimes with Z or Z spelling. Yeah. As I have mentioned before, that the S spelling is the British spelling and the Z is the American spelling. Yeah, both are correct. Whichever you like, it's up to you. And then 6, months, days, and holidays. The months of the year, days of the week, and special holidays. Yeah, examples, days, Monday, Tuesday. Months, January, February, and so on. Holidays, Labor Day, Independence Day. Labor Day means Hari Buruh. Independence Day means Hari Kemerdekaan. Okay. Languages and nationality, ya, bahasa dan kewarganegaraan. Languages and nationalities must be capitalized, ya. Now, at the same time, we also learn about the pronunciation, ya. Languages, nationalities. Examples, languages, Japanese, English. Nationalities, Korean, Spanish. Yeah. In many cases, the language and the nationalities, they have the same words or usage. Yeah. For example, the country Korea, the nationalities is Korean, the language also Korean. Yeah. Also for Japan. Japan, the country, the language Japanese, the nationalities Japanese. Yeah. Now you have to pay attention here. Like, for example, when you say Japan, you don't say this as Japanese, no, but it's Japanese. Yeah, Japan, Japanese. Letters. The greeting and the closing of a letter. Yeah, greetings, pembukaan dalam sebuah surat, and the closing, penutup sebuah surat. Yeah, for examples, if you are working, sometimes you need to write a letter. In the greetings, you will write, dear sir or madam. Yeah. Dear is capital letter. Sir or madam also capital letter. And for the closing, for example, yours faithfully, it is only the Y is capital letter. The F, no need. Okay. Okay, next. Geographic names. Yeah. Geographic names. Names of countries, cities, roads, buildings, or landmark, mountains, lakes, and rivers. These all are called geographic names. Examples, countries, Indonesia, cities, Jakarta, Surabaya, roads, Jalan Pisang, Tamrin Street. If you might ask questions, why Jalan Pisang? Why not Pisang Street? Because we are living in Indonesia. The normal word is jalan instead of street. Yeah, if you say Pisang Street, maybe the post office may not know what do you mean. Yeah, the courier don't understand what does it mean by Pisang Street. Okay, this is more to the traditional. Yeah, something we do daily. And then for the names of buildings, bangunan, for example, Wisma 46 Jakarta, Monas. And then for the names of mountains, Gunung, Merapi, Kilimanjaro. And then for the name of lake, Toba Lake, Lake Danau, River, Sungai, Amazon River. Okay. And the last one is for the titles. Titles of songs, films, books, newspaper, magazines. Ya, titles judul ya, judul. Songs, lagu, Heal the World. Ya. Oh, sorry. I forgot to put the capital letter for the and also the world. Ya, Heal the World. All of them must be capital. Ya. Widuri. And then films, James Bond. Cek toko sebelah. The book's name, Charlotte Webb, Harry Potter. Newspaper, the New York Times, Compass, magazines, majalah, Forbes, Femina. Yeah, these all must be capital letters. Okay, before we go to punctuation, any questions? Please ask regarding capital letters before we continue to punctuation. Oke, Mr. Tony, kita jawab dulu kalau ada pertanyaan ya. Oh, I shall go to chat. Let me see.
Ya, gimana sahabat kelas, ada pertanyaan nggak? Kalau tidak ada pertanyaan, kita akan lanjutin.
Lake Toba or Toba Lake? Okay, it's Toba Lake. Did I say Toba Lake or Lake Toba? Let me check. Toba Lake, yeah. Why Toba Lake? Because if Indonesia, kata sifat di belakang, but for English, kata sifat di depan. Ya, Toba Lake. Not yet, sir. Tadi lo balik harusnya huruf besar. Oh ya, lake-nya harus huruf besar ya. So sorry. I missed that one. Nickname pakai capital letters? Yes, pakai capital letters. Because name. Nah, tadi udah saya jelasin. Jalan Pisang, boleh nggak Pisang Street? Nanti tukang posnya nggak ngerti. Ya, kalau tukang posnya orang bule atau tinggal di luar, ya harus pakai street. Ya, tapi kalau di Indonesia, Jalan Pisang. Takutnya orang tukang posnya nggak ngerti jalan artinya ya. Capital letter huruf besar, yes, it is the same in bahasa, right? I don't understand. Kenapa lake pakai huruf besar kalau nama tempat itu huruf besar, tapi kalau hanya lake tidak pakai huruf besar? Ya. Kalau hanya danau tidak huruf besar, tapi kalau Danau Toba, Toba Lake itu huruf besar, ya. Brand use capital? Yes. Best regards, ya. B besar, R kecil. Oke. Cukup ya. Continue. Oke, continue Mr. Tony.
Ya, Pak Hendra lanjut.
Oke. Nah, sebelum kita lanjut punctuation, kita ini ya, do exercise. Nah, ini yang punya pulpen bisa ditulis. Exercise 1 yang punya bukunya atau download bisa dibuka. Ya, exercise 1 and exercise 2. Exercise 1, circle the letters that should be capitals. Ya, circle ataupun diubah terserah. Exercise 2, look at the signs of the left. Can you find the mistakes? Write the names correctly. Ya, also capital letters. Okay, I will give you 3 minutes. And then I will call one by one to give your answer. Ya. Yang udah supaya hemat waktu, yang udah siap bisa raise hand ya. Dan begitu raise hand berarti nomor 1. Next, raise hand nomor 2 gitu-gitu ya, Mr. Tony.
Oke, sudah ada tuh, Pak.
Saya belum share screen ya?
Iya, belum muncul screen-nya.
Oke. Sebentar ya, saya share screen dulu. Saya suka lupa nih kalau sharing screen. Share screen. Ini share. Oke, coming. Oke, muncul ya. Lihat raise hand itu di participants. Oke, number 1. Sayang yang unmute ya, Mister.
Ya, boleh, Pak Mr. Hendra. Unmute.
Oke. Ibu Mega ya. Saya udah pencet ask to unmute, tapi nggak bisa ya.
Itu kalau di AS, ntar tinggal tunggu pesertanya terima, Pak.
Oke.
Mega Wijaya sudah di-unmute ya?
Iya. Ya, Mega ya namanya ya. Boleh nggak say something? Halo? Nggak ada respon, berarti gimana? Next aja bisa.
Mega, kita tunggu bentar ya. Kalau nggak ada, oke. Next aja, Pak.
Next aja ya. Nah, nanti sebelum jawab mungkin bisa introduce yourself for a little bit, like for example your name, and then what are you doing? Are you a employee or where do you live? Ya. Oke. Next ini Steffi ya, Steffi.
Ya.
Oke.
Ya.
Bisa langsung.
Number 1.
Number 1.
Okay.
Please introduce yourself first. Name and then where do you live and are you a working or housewife?
Okay. My name is Steffi. I live in Jakarta.
Jakarta.
I'm working.
Housewife.
No, I'm.
Okay, number 1.
Number 1. Capital letternya Peter. And huruf I. Huruf capital.
Oh, okay. Thank you,
And
Steffi.
okay, thank you.
Okay, next.
Mr. Hendra, sepertinya Mega sudah bergabung. Mega,
Oh, udah unmute belum dia? Tapi orangnya hilang nih.
oh
Dari
hilang.
chat.
Oke. Ya udah, lanjut Pak.
Lanjut ya. Friska ya.
Good evening, Mr. Hendra.
Okay, good evening. Please introduce
I'm
yourself.
Friska.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I'm Friska, housewife,
Housewife, okay. Where do you live?
Jakarta.
Jakarta, okay. Number 2,
Number 2, the capital letter is W, only,
okay.
and C, Chicago.
Okay. That's all?
Yes,
Okay, thank you.
thank you.
Mr. Tony, ya, Mr. Tony, saya perlu pencet mute nggak kalau udah selesai?
Nggak perlu, biasa peserta mute sendiri Pak.
Oh, okay. Sorry ya, saya nggak tahu nih cowok apa cewek, jadi saya cuma pakai nama aja ya. Oke, sekarang Ricky ya, Ricky. Silakan,
Hi,
Ricky.
sir.
Ya, please.
My name is Ricky and I live in Medan now.
Okay.
I'm a employee.
Employee, okay. Number 3, please.
Number 3, the capital
Capital letter.
there.
Sunday. T for there.
Sunday. S for Sunday.
Okay, S for Sunday. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, now next, Sufi, please. Number 4.
Hi, Mr. Hendra.
Hello.
I live in Jakarta. I'm an employee. Number
Employee,
4,
okay.
Jason lives on Thompson Avenue. The
Okay.
capital letter is J for Jason and
Uh-huh.
Thompson Avenue, T and A.
Okay, T for Thompson, A for Avenue.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
By the way, Avenue itu bisa daerah, bisa juga nama jalan ya. Jadi Thompson Avenue bisa nama daerah, bisa juga nama jalan. Okay, number 5. Ini ada Wiriani ya.
Hello, good evening,
Halo.
sir.
Good evening.
My name Wiriani.
Okay,
I live in Bagan Batu.
all right.
Number 5.
Are you working?
I'm a housewife.
A housewife, okay. Number 5.
Number 5. January is the first month of the year.
All right.
The capital letter is on J for January.
Uh-huh. That's
That's
all?
all.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, now we go to exercise 2. Hopkins Hotel. Yang udah selesai boleh nggak hand-nya diturunin? Bisa ya, Mr. Tony, kayak gitu ya? Kalau udah selesai, turunin tangan gitu ya?
Bisa Pak, saya bantu dari sini Pak.
Oke. Ini next. Lisa ya. Lisa, please, Hopkins Hotels.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
My name is Lisa, live in Jakarta.
All right.
I'm a housewife.
A housewife, all right. Okay,
Look at the
Hopkins
sign.
Hotel.
Hopkins Hotels. Hopkins
which one
Hotels.
using capital letter?
So for Hopkins Hotel have to be the capital letter is H for Hopkins and H for hotel.
Okay, yes, correct. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, next, Oni.
Yes, sir. Good evening.
Good evening.
My name is Oni. I live in Bekasi.
Okay. Are you working?
I'm housewife.
Okay. Orchard Street.
Orchard Street, the capital letter O and S.
Okay. O for orchard, S for street.
Yes,
Okay, thank you.
you're welcome.
Okay, Rudy, next.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Happy teacher today. Happy teacher.
Happy
For you.
Teacher's Day. Thank you, Mr.
Happy Teacher's Day. Yeah. I am Rudy.
Yes.
I am an employee.
Okay. And where do you live, Mr. Rudy?
Yeah, I live in Jakarta.
In
sir.
Jakarta. Okay. Botanic Gardens.
Sorry, what the question, sir?
The capital letters for Botanic Gardens.
Okay. B for botanical, G for garden.
Okay, good. Thank you. Okay, next, Warti.
Good evening, sir. Happy Teacher's Day.
Thank you.
My name is Warti. I'm a teacher.
Oh, you are a teacher. Okay. And where do you live?
I live in Gading Serpong.
Oh. Okay.
The next question is, I think, Sheikh Stadium, right? Or Lincoln School?
Yes, C Stadium.
Stadium. I think S for she and S for stadium.
Okay, thank you. We
Thank
are
you, sir.
neighbor then.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Thank you. Okay, next, Zulkifli.
Okay, hello, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Happy Teacher's Day.
Hey, thank you, sir.
My name is Zulkifli Hikmah. I live in Johor Bahru.
Okay.
I'm employer in here.
All right.
So,
Next is Lincoln School.
okay, the capital letters of Lincoln, letters L for Lincoln and
Okay.
N for school.
Okay, thank you, Zulkifli.
You're welcome, teacher, sir.
Okay, next, Herlin. Okay, Herlin. Yes, please.
Afternoon, Mr.
Good evening.
Oh, good evening.
Yes.
Yang mana, Mister? Sorry.
Okay, Newton Root. Please introduce yourself first.
Oh, my name is Herlin.
Where do you live?
Serpong, Villa Melati Mas.
Okay, and are you working?
Yes. No.
No, okay. So you're a housewife then?
Yeah, housewife.
Oh, okay. Newton Road?
Newton Road, Newton and capital.
Okay. And for Newton?
Newton, R capital ya?
Yes, R for road capitals. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Mister.
Okay, next, Veronica.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Yeah, my name is Veronica. I'm an employee. I'm an employee and also a student.
Oh, still a student, okay.
Yes.
Where do you live, by the way?
In Riau Province, sir.
Sorry, where?
Riau Province. Riau Province.
Oh, Riau Province. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Last one, National Library.
National Library, N for National and L for Library.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Mr. Tony, please mute all. We will continue next punctuation. Stop share screen and then share screen, PowerPoint. Okay, we will continue. Now we are going to discuss about punctuation. Now, punctuation, for example, period or full stop. Yeah. Period, what is the difference? It means the same. In Indonesian, titik, ya, bedanya, period is British, full stop is American. Yeah. And then comma, question mark, exclamation mark, quotation marks, and the apostrophe. Okay. Period or full stop. It is used at the end of a sentence. Example, English is an international language, full stop, or period. Yeah. I think we are more familiar with full stop rather than period. And then comma, a comma is used to draw up list of things or people. Examples, I bought some books, comma, some pencils, and some erasers for my son yesterday. Yeah. Question mark, it is used at the end of a question. Example, would you like some drink? Can I help you? That's question mark. And then number 4, exclamation mark. It is used to express strong feelings. Example, hi, and then goodbye. Apostrophe. It is used to show possession or ownership. Example, this book belongs to Budi. It is Budi's book. Ya, menunjukkan kepunyaan, possession, or ownership. Buku ini kepunyaan Budi. Ini buku punya Budi. So it is Budi's book. Ya. Apostrophe also used to show contraction. Ya, gabungan. Example, I do not have a car. I don't have a car. Ya, do not becomes don't. And then interjection. A word that expresses a sudden strong feeling such as surprise, pain, or pleasure. Example, surprise, wow, pain, ouch, pleasure, happy birthday. Yeah. Okay. Now back to the book. If you have the book, you can go to punctuation number 14. Here. Okay, punctuation marks are signs such as periods, comma, and questions mark. Just now I have already explained. But here it is more detailed. Yeah, for example, he drew a horse, full stop. Yeah, let me just go through this quite quickly since we have already mentioned before. And if you have a questions later, can ask. Yeah, this is the example of using the full stop or period. And then comma, use a comma between nouns and noun phrases in a list. For example, I bought 2 apples, comma, 3 oranges, and some grapes. Yeah, you don't usually put comma after 3 oranges, but you use conjunction here, and. Yeah. After that, you use commas between adjective when you use several of them to describe something. Yeah, for example, a giraffe is a tall, comma, long neck, comma, long leg animal. ya, adjective kata sifat. Now we will learn about adjective next time, ya. And then we use comma after yes and no and before the word please. For example, goodbye, comma, George. Yeah. Goodbye, George. Yeah, comma first before George. And then no, comma, it has stopped. Good morning, comma, sir. Yeah. And then the rest you can read by yourself. Comma, I use to show where there is a brief pause. Yeah, for example, unfortunately, comma, she injured her knee skiing. She was in the bedroom, comma, listening to music on the radio. Right? And then exclamation point. Tanda seru in Indonesian. Yeah. An exclamation point often used after a command. Ya, kata perintah. An interjection. The one that we have learned just now. Interjection like wow, ouch. Yeah, that's interjection. Or a word that shows surprise or anger. Yeah. These are the examples. Sit down. Oh dear. What a surprise. Quiet. Help. Help. Yeah. These all words use exclamation mark. Yeah. And then question mark. Use a question mark after a questions. For example, how are you? What's your name? Where do you live? And so on and so forth. Yeah. Later you can read this by yourself. And then apostrophe, the one that I have already mentioned, talk about possession, but here has some explanation. For example, this is Peter's bed. Yeah, this bed belongs to Peter's, and that is Michael's bed. That bed belongs to Michael. Ini punya Peter's, ini punya Michael's. Ya. Oke, bisa yang lain nanti baca sendiri ya. Nah, follow the same rules when a name or a singular noun ends in S. Write an apostrophe first and then add another S. Ya, misalnya the princess. Princess belakangnya udah ada S. Berarti tinggal put apostrophe and an S. Ya. A rhinoceros. Apostrophe S. Boss. Apostrophe S. Ya, these all singular. Ya, setelah S, apostrophe S again. For singular noun. Singular noun means kata benda tunggal. Ya, singular artinya tunggal atau satu. Ya. And then for plural nouns atau jamak, plural lebih dari satu, that end in S, put the apostrophe after the S. Ya, for example, birds. Karena banyak, setelah birds S langsung apostrophe. No need to put another S. Ya, tidak perlu taruh S lagi. Because this shows plural. Okay. And then Miss Lee is marking her pupils' work. Pupils. Plural, jamak. Lebih dari satu. After that, apostrophe. No need to put another S. Ya. Compare with the singular. Tadi singular, setelah S, apostrophe S. Ya, princess, walaupun belakangnya ada S, tapi itu singular. Ya, singular satu. Sedangkan birds, plural, udah ada S-nya, tinggal apostrophe. Ya. Now, what about some plural nouns do not end in S? Ya. Ada plural nouns yang harus pakai S. Contoh bird, birds. Tapi children bukan children, children's bukan ya, tapi child, children. one child, two children. Ya. Ini disebutnya irregular plural nouns, ya. Tidak beraturan. Child, children. Nah, in this case berarti tetap pakai apostrophe and s. Ya, pakai apostrophe after that with s. Ya, another example man. Ini one man, two men. Ya. Ini women. Ya, kalau satu woman. Kalau dua women. Ya, satu woman, dua women. Nah, this one apostrophe s. Ya. People also, one person, two people. Ya. Some people say one person, two persons. Boleh. Ya. One person, two persons. Boleh. One person, two people. Boleh. Ya. Kalau American biasanya lebih ke arah persons. People biasanya British. Ya. Okay, another apostrophe used to show person's office or shop. Ya, untuk kantor ataupun toko. Ya, for example, I buy some bread at the baker's. Artinya toko roti. Ya, I was reading a book at the dentist. Artinya kantor dokter gigi ataupun toko dokter gigi ataupun klinik lah, ya klinik. Ya. And then it's time you went to the barbers. Artinya toko pangkas rambut ya. You can also refer to your friends' homes ya untuk rumah teman. For example, I'm going next door to Peter's. Berarti rumahnya Peter ya. I stay the night at Susan's. Artinya rumahnya Susan ya. Next, how do you make a possessive form of two people joined by and such as Peter and John? Nah, kalau ada dua orang bagaimana caranya? Berarti yang kedua yang dikasih apostrophe s. The second one use apostrophe s. Example, Barbara and David's house. Ya, Jill and Andy's party. You don't say Barbara's and David's house. Yeah, you don't say that. But you say Barbara and David's house. Ya, hanya yang kedua saja. These possessive forms of names and nouns can be used without a following noun. For example, which desk is Susan's? Ya, ini understood. Susan's desk. Ya, kalau dibalik Susan's desk. George, ya, George is in the back row. Berarti kepunyaan George ada di belakang. This room is my brother's. Ya, ruangnya kakak laki-laki saya. Ya, my brother's. In another words, my brother's room. Ya, ruangnya kakak laki-laki saya. Okay. Nah, this is the contraction that I have mentioned to you earlier. I do not become I don't. I have, I've, ya, I've. We will. He is, he's. Was not, wasn't. Don't, do not, don't. Did not, didn't. Kalau American suka bilang didn't, ya. Kalau British, didn't. We are, we're. Ini yang kadang suka membingungkan. Mom's finish. Kadang orang bisa berpikir, ini bisa is, bisa has. Ya, bagaimana kita tahu ini is atau has? Depends on the following words. Ya, karena ini following words adalah verb, maka ini adalah has. Kalau following words-nya adalah adjective atau noun, maka ini is. Nah, ini akan dibahas lebih detail when we talk about tenses. Ya. Makanya kalau kita ini tidak kuat ketika kita ngomong tenses, nanti agak keteteran. Ya. Nah, ini yang tadi saya bilang, The mail has arrived. The mails arrive. Ya, apostrophe s bisa is, bisa has. Nah, taunya dari mana? Ini. Ya, kata di belakangnya. Sally is here. Sally's here. Arrive ini verb, here ini adverb. Ya. Nah, itu lebih detailnya nanti kita akan pelajari di tenses. Oke. Ini waktunya udah mepet. Tanya jawab dulu. Kalau ada waktu nanti kita exercise ya. Kalau tidak ada waktu, exercise-nya bisa dikerjakan sendiri. Answer key-nya sudah saya bikin. Nanti tinggal di-share oleh Mr. Tony. Okay, now questions. If you have any questions, please ask through the chat. Conjunction use capital letters? No, usually no. Yeah, but some people use it. It's okay. Tapi usually no for capital letters conjunction. If I write greeting in the end of email, I use best regard. Thank you. T besar, Y kecil. Ya, thank you-nya T besar, Y-nya kecil. Oh, doctor. In Indonesia, DR is doctor. If you DR, that is doctor. For title, gelar. Ya, kalau gelar, D-nya besar. Kalau dokter, D-nya kecil. Ya. Mr. Do we use comma before and like in Indonesia, I had bought the book, comma, pen, comma. Nah, you don't have to use comma before the end, but usually American like to do that. Yeah, but for British, we don't use that. Okay. Any more questions? Kalau nggak ada questions, kita bisa lanjut exercise sebentar. Penyebutan can and can't. Okay, kalau American, can and can't. Ya, I can do that. I can't do that. Ya, ada stress di cannot. That's American. But for British, can and can't. I can do this, but I can't do that. Ya. Okay, no more questions. Let's go for the exercise. Ya, seperti tadi, langsung raise hand. We have 5 minutes ya for questions. For exercise. Oke, langsung ya, Cynthia. Cynthia, no respond. Oke, Mega.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please introduce yourself.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
My name is Mega. I live in Tangerang. Okay, I will answer number 1, yes, sir.
Okay, are you working?
Yes, I'm working at school.
Okay. All right.
Yes.
Okay, number 1, he hates cheese.
Yeah, so the last for the last sentence, we need full stop.
Okay.
Titik ya, sir. I
Okay.
mean. Yeah, thank you, sir.
Okay. He hates cheese. Full stop. Okay, or period. Okay, thank you. Cynthia. Okay, still no response. Titik. Okay, please now
Hello.
introduce yourself.
Hello, I'm Titik. I live in Tangerang.
Okay.
I am an employee.
Okay.
For number 2.
Okay.
Yes. Who is your teacher?
Uh-huh.
We need a question mark.
Okay, questions mark. Good. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Cynthia, still no response. Next, Flavia.
Hello, sir.
Okay, hello. Who?
You.
Oh, Veronica ya, Veronica ya.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Veronica, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Number 3, stop that man.
Sorry, where do you live, by the way?
I
Are
have
you working?
introduced myself just now, sir, earlier. I'm from Riau province, sir.
Oh, okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please,
For
number 3 then.
3, stop that man with exclamation. Exclamation, how to pronounce it, sir?
Okay, exclamation mark.
Oh, exclamation mark. Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome.
Is that correct, sir?
Yes, correct.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Okay, Flavia.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Yes, I'm Flavia. I'm a music teacher. I'm from Palembang.
Okay.
Okay, for the 4th question,
Number 4,
for
yes.
keep quiet,
Yes.
we make the exclamation point for the end of the sentence.
Yes, correct. Exclamation mark. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, next again, Rudy.
Yes, thanks. You give me second chance.
Okay, second chance.
Good morning. Good morning, comma, madam. Dot.
Dot. Dot means period or full stop.
Right.
Okay. Good morning, comma, madam, exclamation mark. Yeah.
Yes.
Good morning, comma, madam, exclamation mark. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, Friska.
Okay, sir. Good evening.
Good evening.
Number 6. George.
Number 6.
Yes. George, comma. Are you okay? Question mark.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Is that correct, sir?
It's correct.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Okay. Steffi?
Yes, I'm here.
All right. Number 7. Please introduce yourself first.
My name is Steffi. I'm from Jakarta.
Oh, okay. Number 7.
Peter, comma, David, and Susan are playing hide and seek. Full stop.
Full stop. Okay, thank you. Good. Correct.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, last one. Jenny, last one. Since the time is already up.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
My name is Jenny. I'm from Medan.
Okay.
I will answer number 8 now, yeah.
Are you working, by the way?
No, I'm a
No.
housewife.
Okay. Number 8.
Number 8 is mom bought meat, fish, and vegetables. Full stop.
Sorry, one more time.
Mom bought meat, comma, fish, and vegetables at the supermarket. Full stop.
Oh, okay. Thank you. That's good. Correct.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, I think that's all. The time is already up. You may practice by yourself. Later, Mr. Tony will share the PowerPoint and the answer key. Yeah. Okay, Mr. Tony.
Okay, Mr. Randa, thank you for today. Ya, sahabat kelas, terima kasih untuk yang sudah bergabung ya. Terima kasih juga buat Pak Hendra atas waktunya ya. Pak Hendra, kita juga mau ucapin selamat Hari Guru ya.
Oke, thank you semua yang udah ucapin. Thank you banget ya.
Oke. Ya, sahabat-sahabat, sampai ketemu di hari Rabu ya. Kita ketemu lagi di hari Rabu. Ntar untuk rekamannya bisa ditonton ulang di YouTube ya. Oke, sampai ketemu. Thank you, Mr. Hendra.
Thank you. Thank you all. Take care. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Night.
Thank you,
Thank you, sir.
Okay. See you.
Thank you, everyone.
Happy Teacher's Day, sir.
Okay, thank you. Happy Teacher's Day. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Ya, PPT-nya nanti akan di-share oleh Mr. Tony.